friends, it's Miss Mozingo here. Time for some online preschool. I hope you enjoyed your day yesterday for St. Patrick's Day. Did you catch a leprechaun? I know we tried here, but we didn't catch one, but we got something sweet in our trap instead. I hope you had a great day and enjoyed the weather outside. So let's get started by saying our Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand with me and say the pledge. Right hand on our heart, eyes on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side, and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Excellent. Before we get started, I wanted to show you some things that I received in email and on Dojo. First off, here's Nalani. She made a Lucky Shamrock yesterday with her mommy. I love that Lucky Shamrock. Very nice. And then Gracie's mommy sent a note saying how much she enjoys singing the songs and doing all the fun things with Preschool Online. And Judah's mommy sent a picture as well. And here's Judah. But it's not going to load up for me. Let's take a look down. Let's see right here. There's Judah. And he's got his antenna on. And he's all dressed in green. Nobody was pinching Judah yesterday. He was safe. There's that Judah. I love his antenna. Beautiful. All right. Let's take a look at the date. Today is the 18th day of March. And let's figure out what day of the week it is. I have our song so we can sing it together. Are we ready? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Let me hear ya. Louder. Days of the week. 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 All right, and it's the 18th, so that means it's Wednesday, March 18th, 2020. There's 2 more days of online preschool, and then it'll be the weekend. All right, let's see what kind of weather do we have outside today. We predicted cloudy weather with no sun, but I see a little bit of sun peeking out. So it is going to have some clouds with some sun that is partly sunny outside. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Let's put in our prediction square. What do you think? Oh, I heard rainy. All right, I hear a prediction for rain tomorrow, so I'll put that in our prediction square. All right, let's say our alphabet. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome. All right, now let's pretend we're bunnies. Let's stand up and we're going to hop as we count. So that means we're going to hop 20 times. But we need to get some bunny ears up there. Can you put some bunny ears on top of your head? Let's use our fingers or our hands. And pretend they're bunny ears. And let's hop and count at the same time. Here we go. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, hop higher, 14, higher, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, friends. Nice hopping. All right, let's count backwards. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm glad, Nalani, you and your mommy didn't say blast off, because we know we don't say that anymore. Let's find some colors. How about orange? Can you find something that is orange? Here it is. Fish. We have those fishies in our classroom. An orange fish. How about something blue? Where's something blue? You see? There's sadness. Look at her crying. It's because she misses preschool. We all do. But thankfully, we can come together here and have preschool online. How about some shapes? How about a triangle? Where's that triangle? Anybody see it? There it is. What color is that triangle? Orange. That's exactly right. How about the octagon? Where's the octagon? Oh, you found it. It's purple. Let's make that octagon a little bigger. It seems small. There, and that's a nice big octagon. All right, our nursery rhyme. A tisket, a tasket. Let's say it together. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. And on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. All right, let's watch that video. I've been having some internet issues. Hopefully it won't happen this time.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, dropped it, dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy picked it up and put it in his pocket. Tasket, green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little girl picked it up and put it in her pocket. A tasket, I lost my yellow basket. I dropped it, dropped it. Now won't you help me find it? My basket, my green and yellow basket, my green and yellow basket. Now won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it?
Those cute bunnies. They are just so cute. All right. Looking at our money. Who can remember what this coin is? A dime. That's right. How about this one? A nickel. Very good. How about this? I heard it a quarter, and the brown one is a penny. Awesome. Maybe today, mommies and daddies can give you a handful of coins. And you can sort them, which means you're going to put all the pennies together in one pile on the table, all the nickels in one pile, dimes in another pile, and quarters in another pile, and then count how many is in each pile. And then, if you want to try something else, you could make a pattern. Maybe you could have a pattern with a penny and a nickel, a penny and a nickel, a penny and a nickel. Maybe you'd want to do a more exciting pattern like a penny, a nickel, a penny, a nickel, a nickel. Or you could do another pattern, which is a penny, a nickel, a dime, a penny, a nickel, a dime. Your choice. See how creative you can get. If mommies and daddies have change for you to sort, that would be a great activity today. Counting, sorting, and patterns are all skills we need to learn in preschool. What number is this? It is the number 8. Excellent. This one? It's 1, that's right. What's this one? 7. How about here? 6, yes. What's this one? 4. This one? 3. How about here? 2. How about that one? Yes, 5. Our letter this week is the letter M. M, you rub your tummy and give me that mmm sound. Here we go. Mmm. Someone made something so good. And we're making that yummy sound. Mmm. That's what M says. M is at the beginning of Moana, Mickey Mouse, and Captain Marvel. All right. Let's build that letter together.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
If you want to stand up and sing the song,
Where do
you
you
can.
start your letters at the top?
If you have your mat, you can use it like we
If
do in
you
class.
want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Ready? Here we go. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters
At the top. If you want to start a letter,
Then you better
remember to
start it at the top.
Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go. Oz. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Here we go. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Oz. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go.
Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? All right. Set that on down. And let's make that letter M. Letter M, we're going to start with a big line and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. There it is. Do we cover up Mr. Matt's smiling face? No, we put it right underneath his smiling face. We're going to grab another line. We're going to make it into a slide. Just like for outside and recess. Whee! Do we do that here? Nope, we go boom and fall right to the ground. That's a line. The slide is just like the slide outside. Now we need to slide up. How much fun would that be if you could slide up? Just slide up. It's like a roller coaster. Whee! Whoa! And then we need a line down. Okay, my turn. Hands and lap. Listening ears on. Inside voices off. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big slide up. Big line down. All right. You do it with me. Fingers at the top. Excellent. And we say, big line down, frog jump up, big slide down, big slide up, big line down. Wonderful. We're going to have story and music today. So I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.